Hello, my strong and serious learners. Today we are going to move one level higher. This is not basic English. This is, advanced spoken English, the kind of English that sounds confident, mature, and powerful, the kind of English that makes people listen when you speak. So sit straight, focus your mind, and remember one thing: powerful English comes from powerful structures, not from long vocabulary. Today's advanced formula is used by leaders, teachers, and motivational speakers all over the world. Write this sentence in your mind and repeat it slowly. What really matters? The formula is what really matter is not. Now, let me teach this we teach in classroom. This formula is used when you wanna highlight the most important thing and clearly reject the less important one, right? So it helps you sound decisive, confident, and clear. The structure is simple. What really matters is plus the main point, not plus the distraction. Now let's understand the easy examples. What really matters is effort, not excuses. What really matters is learning, not marks. What really matters is progress, not perfection. Notice how this formula immediately sounds strong and mature. Now let's bring into daily spoken English. If someone says, "I'm worried because my English is not perfect," you calmly reply, "What really matters is communication, not perfection." If a student says, "I made mistakes while speaking," you say, "What really matters is practice, not mistakes." If someone says, "I'm afraid of people's opinions," you reply, "What really matters is self-growth, not people's judgment." Now listen carefully because these are high impact advanced examples. What really matters is consistency, not motivation. What really matters is discipline, not talent. What really matters is action, not intention. Students, this is the language of confident speakers. Now, let me correct a common mistake. Never break the sentence in the middle or change the order. Don't say what matters really is or what really matter are. Always say what really matters is. Now it's your practice time. Say in your mind, what really matters is confidence, not fear. What really matters is efforts, not luck. What really matters is growth, not comfort. This is how you train your brain to think in English. Now imagine you are given a motivational talk and you say, "Students, remember one thing, what really matters is how many times you stand up,